This is a Parkside pressure washer, which I bought from Lidl for only £39.99. I was looking for one. I saw some Halfords for about double the price, and the Karcher ones are a bit more expensive. But for £39.99, just for a home and domestic use one, it should be fine. And it comes with a 3-year guarantee. Now the spec is, as you can see, 1300 watts, working flow volume, and rated flow volume max 4.5 litres per minute, maximum flow 6 litres per minute, working pressure 74 bar, max pressure 110 bar. Now, I think this is similar spec to the entry-level Karcher and the one up from the bottom level Halfords one. And it comes with 5-meter electrical cord, 3-meter hose, and accessories, the gun and the pipe and so forth. And you just connect a normal garden hose connector to the bottom there. So it didn't come with a snow foam bottle, which is used for pre soaping a car before you rinse it, but I think I can probably pick one up on eBay for 10 quid or something. So let's open it up and have a look. The model number is Parkside pressure washer PHD 110D1. Coincidentally, I saw a similar spec one at Aldi, and their brand is called Ferex. They do a range of power tools and garden machinery, and Parkside is Lidl's own brand. So let's open it up and have a look. So let's see what's inside. We've got the instruction booklet, some sort of clip in the bag. We've got looks like the main spray lance with the adjustable fan and shape of the spray here. We've got the trigger to attach the lance to. Got the pressure washer itself, with just the only control is a on and off switch, and the push fit garden hose connector. It's quite a small unit, but it is the entry level. And we've got the flexi hose. So let's put it all together and see how it works. So let's put the high pressure nozzle on. You slide it on and screw it up. And then with the other end of this hose, you put it in the gun. You just push fit it into this hole here. in, and then we'll put the lance on. Again, it's just a push fit system. This goes into this. It's a bayonet connector, so you just push it in and twist it, and that's it all set up. So now we just plug it in, turn it on. Got a normal garden hose connector, push fit, available for £2 or £3 at your local DIY or garden store, and we push fit this on. So we just push this on. That's on. We prime the system by turning the tap on. Should be all ready now. Now here's the magic moment. Let's turn it on. And it's working. Well, works quite well. It does push your arm back a bit. This is the first time I've ever tried a pressure washer, and this is one of the smallest, weakest ones you can buy. But there's certainly a lot of pressure coming out. I bought it just for doing the garden and for cleaning the car. You can see from there it's just got rid of all the dirt out of there. Let's try this. You see this black dirt? Let's see if it works. Just got rid of all that black dirt in the middle there very easily. So it should be very good on the first minute of use. I think it's pretty effective. Wow, the result of this for a tiny little pressure washer is quite good. It just gets rid of dirt like it's not even there. See, just by the lines, it gets rid of the dirt. If we spray the fan out a bit, it gives a slightly wider spread. But if you look at the dirt there, it just gets rid of it. Amazing. Pretty clean. All these grout lines were pretty black before. And that crack, you couldn't even see it before. It was full of moss and gunk. And that grey strip there, light grey, that looked like that before. All dark green and algae and black. And all the grout lines before, they were like this. I haven't done this area yet. So, quite a difference. It looks quite fresh. I decided to have a go at the driveway as well. It's a brick type driveway, and always get weeds and stuff growing in the gaps. And as you can see here, the jet washer just blasts out all the moss. It doesn't get to the base of all the weeds, but probably loosens them quite a bit. And as you can see, gets rid of the dirt quite easily. There's that one. That tile has gone pinky red from the black it was. Let's try this one. So you can see it's very effective. Even with a cheap jet washer is very effective. This is a build-up of about 20 years on this wall of algae, dirt, and with this bad boy for $39.99 with $39.99 from Lidl, it all comes off in 30 seconds.